These are the ingredients you will need.
They will also be in the description box below.
Here we are cutting the parchment paper to the size of the tin, ready for later.
Then, we grease the tin before placing the parchment paper inside.
First weigh out the butter into a pan.
Add the golden syrup into the same pan.
Weigh out both sugars into the same pan.
Then add the dark chocolate.
Melt everything together on a low heat until a smooth mixture is formed.
Once fully melted, take it off the heat.
Crack 2 eggs into a new bowl.
Whisk the eggs until they are frothy.
In another bowl, weigh out the flour, cocoa powder and baking powder.
Once it is all weighed out, sieve it all together.
Whisk the chocolate mixture into the eggs.
Then sieve in the dry ingredients.
Fold the dry ingredients in.
Once it is all combined, pour into the tin from earlier.
Bake for 25 minutes.
Once cooled, you can dust with icing sugar.
Enjoy baking!